Hi everybody, my name is Ian Lamont. I am the author of Excel Basics in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to be talking about removing duplicates from an Excel spreadsheet. This is Excel for macOS, but actually the Windows version looks and behaves exactly the same way what I'm going to show you. So here's the situation. I want to remove duplicates from this list of keywords that I have here. This is for an advertising campaign. You can see I have lots of keywords, and I've noticed that I actually have a few duplicates, and you can see one of them right here. G Suite 2018, G Suite 2018. I mentioned it twice. And there's probably some other ones here as well. And I could hunt through the whole list of more than 100 keywords and try to take, here's another one, and try to take them out by myself and restructure delete the row and all this stuff. There's an easier way to do it, and here's how. First, select the row or the columns that you want to delete the duplicate data. You can select, if you want, if it was a huge spreadsheet with lots of columns and lots of rows, you could select everything. Go to the Data tab, and there's actually a button right on it in both Windows and the Mac version. I don't believe it's available in the mobile version, but I could be wrong about that. But anyways, click on the Remove Duplicates button. It'll say my list has headers, so select all, column A, click OK. 10 duplicate values found and removed, 102 unique values remain. That's really useful. So just basically using this simple step, it took me about 10 seconds to do something that otherwise probably would have taken a couple minutes to do, and that is a big time saver. And you can see G Suite 2018, which used to be duplicate, it's now just a one cell entry. For more information on how to get the most out of Excel, check out my book, Excel Basics in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com. Thank you so much for watching.